All right, folks, we're here at Dollar Store. Why not? It's the place to be. Check it out for Halloween. Even socks, folks. It's crazy cool. Halloween, you got bowls, you got cups. I mean, it's only once a year. Some of the stuff, you just got to throw it away. Especially if you have just a bag of eyes. That's disgusting. But that's Halloween. Yeah. So check it out, folks. All kinds of decorations here. You can't beat it. Get yourself a spider. Get that spider. Yeah. $1.25. Dollar Store. Get yourself a skull for $1.25. To be or not to be. At Dollar Store. A lot of fall stuff here to decorate with. Make your house look all good for fall. You got some skeletons here. Can't beat that at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree all day long. Got that Halloween candy going on here. Check it out, $1.25 all day long, looks like. Got your chalice here. Skeleton hand. Right on. And that's pretty much it. A lot of fall stuff here. And a little Christmas. So check out the fall and Halloween stuff here at Dollar Tree, folks.